There we go. Got him. This is the biggest one of the day. He is a thick boy. Holy cow. What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to Midwest Test Fishing. Here in Iowa, it is currently March 3rd. And I apologize for my voice, I'm just getting over a bug. We had a crazy warm day today. It's like 72 degrees almost, but the water is still warm. So if you want to go out and fish right now, you got to target the cold water species that are active right now. So as I've been walking to and from my classes this spring, I've seen numerous bodies of water that look juicy. So today we're going to be fishing the small creeks on my college's campus to see if we can't catch some fish. Right, so this is spot number 1. It's just a small, kind of deep, I don't know what you would call it, outflow to a stream. There is a lake, so I don't know if this somehow connects to that or not. I'll show you what we've got for bait. This is just a micro little jig. Comes in a tube. I really like it. It's got a very small hook, so it can fit in nearly every fish's mouth. Let's try just vertically jigging. That is deep. Oh, there was a bite. Guys, we got a fish. That is insane. Look at that. Oh my goodness, here, hold on, buddy. Look at that creek chub that we literally caught from that drain. Okay, perfect. Got the hook out. Go ahead and let him go. Man, that was awesome. Out of that drain. Now, when I had previously scouted out this spot, it is deep right here. It's about, I'd say, 2.5 feet, which is perfect for the chubs to be hiding up on in. So I'm gonna cast it and just let it sink to the bottom. Okay, let's try again, but get it deeper up in there. No, I'm thinking that might have been the only one big enough to actually catch. So we'll go to another spot and come back to this later. Usually in the fall, there's a lot of activity. It's kind of deep down there. This is just the stream that, oh, hello friend. As I was saying, that's just the stream that flows from there down to here. Let's see if there's any signs of life down here. I'm sure that somehow this leads down to where we were just fishing at. Now, the fish are in here. The question is, are they big enough to strike a lure? That is the question. Oh, great. Had the tree pounder. So let's sink on down, drag it on the bottom. Well, that's a tree. Try over by the trash can. These guys are playing hard to catch. There we go. Another little chub. I'm gonna wet my hand. This is chub number 2. Go ahead and pop the hook right on out. That's one of the hard things. Their mouths are so gummy. Can be a bit of a challenge, but we'll let him go. He swims off just fine. Oh, they are slimy little suckers. There we go. Got him. This is the biggest one of the day. He is a thick boy. Holy cow. Wow. Look at that. This is the biggest one of the day. Solid 5-6 inches, I'd say. Nice. Got him. Give him a nice little lip piercing. Pops right out though. I'll go ahead, send him on his way. There we go. There's another one. It's too easy. And his friend is following. Come here. They're a very pretty fish. We'll go ahead and walk over to the camera. Pops right out. Let's get that cinematic release. I noticed they're kind of under that shade up in there. I'm telling you, the attraction between my lure and the trees has just been unmatched today. Now, just for fun, let's take a couple casts down here and see what we can get. Yeah, this is way too shallow for anything to be living in. I had a lot of fun making this video. It really goes to show that everywhere you look, bodies of water can hold fish. So if there's a body of water near you and you're wondering, hey, are there fish in there? This is your sign to go try it. So we tried a couple different spots as well. Those didn't yield any fish, so it didn't make the final cut. But I just want to thank you guys so much for clicking on this video and watching it up until this point. If you guys are new to the channel or you're a fan, go ahead, hit that thumbs up and subscribe while you're here.